Why is it that when someone yawns, you do too? Well, it's a fun little game the brain plays to show that we're social and empathetic beings. It's like the brain is saying, see, I just yawned. Now you have to yawn too because we're a team. Scientists say it's a form of emotional connection and empathy, like when someone laughs and everyone else starts laughing without realizing it. Or maybe the brain is just messing with us. My yawn is cooler. Try it for yourself. So, what do you think? Why is yawning so contagious? All right, guys, you made it this far. Respect. Now hit that to like and subscribe button, smash the bell, and drop a comment. Don't break our hearts now. Love you all. See you in the next one.